picture of Dave.
He's sitting in the seat.
He's sitting in the seat?
You're like, he's in there.
Quick, hold it back a little bit. Step back a little bit. Oh, there's a house on the side. Put it down here. Dave on a seat. Was it, Joel, was this your work? Look at the camera. Was this your work?
Yes.
All right, do you want to...
Let me see.
Well, it's hard to see because you see there, that's your picture.
I'll tell.
Oh, because there's a house on the other side, isn't there? Put it down there so I can see. And that's the house.
That's me there.
Oh, is it? Which one? Which one? You got to point down there so they can see. Which one's you?
Up here.
Oh, yeah?
That's you and Mom and you and everybody.
Hey, go and get another piece of paper just quick.
You want like this, like...
Oh, no, no, put that down. Hey, here. Draw a picture of me. Can you do that? Can you look at me? Can you draw a picture of me? Can you draw a picture of me?
Yes.
All right, you draw and I'll watch you do it.
No, I can draw your car.
No, just draw a picture of me. What are you drawing?
A car, like yours. There's a window back. Then that's you in the seat.
Yeah, but I want you to draw a picture of me.
No, that's you in there.
Okay, it looks great. How many wheels does it have? You count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
It has nine wheels.
Yeah.
But I only see 4.
It's semi trailer.
Then what about I draw Oaken and Duke?
Okay, you draw the dogs.
Wow. Oh, wow.
There's Oka.
Oh, I see. Photo on it. Raise your hands. What side one?
There's Oka and Duke.
Yay! Oh, it's upside down.
That was there's Oka and Duke.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. Do you want me to draw as well on it?
Yeah.
All right. Now, for those of you watching at home, this is actually a picture of 2 dogs. If you am I allowed to yeah?
Yeah.
See, this would be the dog's head, for instance.
Yeah.
This is quite obviously the tail. Obviously, little body in there. Joel, how do they?
Oh, I broke my hand.
Oh, you broke your hand. And also the same here. So quite obviously, this is a picture of 2 dogs. Although it's a little bit simplistic. He's 4.5 years old, so I reckon that's a good job, you know?
Yeah. Dad.
Do you want me to write their names on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma, Dad draw Oka and Duke's heads. She wants their names.
Yeah, Oka and Duke. Well done, mate. Right, so wait, you don't go around there. Come around here so you can see your face. And say, this is my drawing class, everybody. Thanks for watching.
This is my classes. Thanks for watching.
Bye.